Jeopardy! Okay, so we are in the final round of Jeopardy, and the category is living younger longer. So, here are your clues. This is a natural resource. It is one of the top health and beauty products. It delivers amazing results. The results are immediate. It's affordable and accessible. Cue the music. If your answer is, what is water? You win a lifetime of health and beauty. Hey everybody, welcome back to your Youthgevity tips for living younger longer. And this week, in all seriousness, I do want to discuss the importance of water consumption. So let's start with a few basic facts. First of all, 60% of your body is made up of water. But 75% of people are chronically dehydrated. And in just a moment, we're going to see why. Now, a question a lot of people have is, how much water should I be consuming? And why is water so important? So let's look at, first of all, the roles of water in your body. They are so plentiful. But one, it transports nutrients. It cushions joints and ligaments. You can see there are so many important roles for water, and if you want to write them all down, go ahead and go to our YouTube channel and you can take your time with this and take some notes. Now, how do you know if you are dehydrated? What are some of the symptoms of dehydration? Well, dry skin, hair, and nails, fatigue. How many of us aren't fatigued? And what do we do when we're fatigued? We usually head for the coffee pot. Hunger. Believe it or not, a lot of the times when we think we're really hungry, we're actually thirsty. Constipation, and on and on. Again, these will be listed on our YouTube channel so you can jot them all down and take some notes. Now, how much water should you be drinking every day? Well, we have a formula. The formula is your body weight in pounds divided by 2. So I took my body weight, 130 pounds, I divided it by 2, and I got 65 ounces of water a day. That's how much I should be drinking. So what does that look like? Well, the average bottle of water is 16.9 ounces. So I divided 65 by 16.9. It tells me that I should be drinking 3.8 bottles of water a day. That is the minimum of ounces that I need. Now, more isn't always better because, believe it or not, you can overhydrate and that can also lead to dehydration. So you want to stay somewhere in your balance zone. All right, but as we know, it's not a straight shot because each day we consume diuretics. Diuretics are coffee. Now, how many of you go to Starbucks and get the tall or the grande? Right? Juice is also a diuretic, sodas, and of course, alcohol. So we have to adjust our formula to compensate for diuretics, and it goes like this. You take the ounces of diuretics times 1.5 plus your body weight divided by 2. Now, if that seems like high-level math, I'm going to work it out for you. So let's say that I consumed 12 ounces of a diuretic. I'm going to multiply that by 1.5. I'm going to add that to 130 divided by 2. It comes out to be 74 ounces. I've just had to adjust my intake. And that means I now need 4.37 bottles of water. So you can see, even if you are drinking what you think is enough water, if you're not compensating for the total amount of diuretics that you're consuming, then you're going to end up dehydrated. All right, so for this week, I really want you to keep track of your water consumption and your diuretic consumption because water is going to help you live younger, longer. All right, everybody, until we meet again next week, live young,